Hi everyone, we are back with another object look for the week. This time we are looking at Mrs. Lincoln's Boston Cookbook that comes off of our shelves of archival books and maps and all these other things. So as I open the book, I have this glove on, so it's not that easy to do. But this is Mrs. Lincoln's Boston Cookbook, What to Do and What Not to Do in Cooking. By Mrs. D.A. Lincoln of the Boston Cooking School. And as you can see here, it was published in 1886. So what I'm going to do, and you can see whoever the owner was of this book that lived here in Kennebunk has pinned, literally, some cutouts to the pages here for additional suggestions. So what I'm going to do, because it's hard to video recipes on pages, is I will attach some photos next to our, or aside from our video today, in case you guys want to give some old-fashioned recipes a try as you're at home and you feel like experimenting. You never know. Some of them might be good, some of them might be similar to what we cook now, and guaranteed some of them are going to be very different. So here you have, even beverages are in here. A lot of different things. Iced tea, Russian tea, coffee, mocha, which is my favorite. There you go. There's a whole part on mocha, which is exciting for me anyway. We've got soups, we've got fish chowder, which might sound good to some folks. Clam soup. Again, I will take some photos, and if you guys want to give some of these a try, and take pictures, give us a review of how those tests came out, and then we'll look forward to that, actually, to see if anything actually worked. So we'll be back to you with some recipes to test, and then look forward to hear what your adventure was with it.